All right, guys, here we go. Yeah, got a break in the weather today. It's like 52, 53 degrees right now. The snow's melted off, and it's been colder than I'll get out. And we had a bunch of snow, but it's kind of melted off. Lower 50s right now. Got high wind. Phone says 10 to 20 miles an hour, average 16. So it kind of comes and goes. You see the box blowing around there. So we're gonna try it. No pros. Creepy Christmas level 2. I already did the level 1 with the BB gun. So, but I went to go outside the first time, getting cabin fever and shoot some. It's calling for rain, so it'll probably start raining here in a little bit. It's calling for 80% chance. So, deciding what rifle to bring out. I was gonna bring out the Christian Arms Rangers, and I'll bring out in case it starts raining, I'll bring out the Marlin 795. It's got a Monstrum 12 power scope on there, front parallax on it, and I've shot a few other targets. I shot some of that, and I do have all kinds of other stuff in there, to shoot. But I'm almost emptying this Thunderbolt box, so we're going to use Thunderbolts. Then after this, I might be shooting the rest of it as some steel. We'll see. I'm going to set you up in spotting scope, and we'll see how we do. Okay, guys, we're going to got sighters up there in the upper left right there. Let's see where the Thunderbolts hit at with it. Didn't sound good. Yeah, I'm gonna pause you for a second. I just want to check that for a squib. Yeah, no squib. It was weak sounding. Yes. Let's see what. Let's try another one there at that cider. We can tell where it's hitting at. Now I just got done shooting some other targets with this gun right there. But I'll tell you what, I can't tell where it's heading at. I'm going to try shooting at that T in the ornaments right there. If I can see that through here. See where the hell it's sitting at. Whoa! Okay, so it's definitely got to come over here. Let's see how far I want to come over. I come over 4/10, and I'm going to come up 2 or 3 tenths there. Let's try that T in the ornaments again so I can see where it's hitting at. Well, that doesn't count. Wow! How'd that get it all the way over there? This might not work out. Let me go back to the left. I went back 3/10. Now, I'm not shooting a target. I'm just trying to get this thing zeroed in. Is it going the same hole? Wow. Okay. Hang on, guys. Pause here. I'm going to finish these out. We're going to go shoot something else. Try shooting something else besides Thunderbolts in here. Hang on. Where am I at here? There we go. Let me focus you in here a little bit. Okay, now that hole that's in that gong, that's 100 yards. I'm gonna aim for that and see where she hits at. Underneath the target, I think. Okay, let's aim up for the top where the hanger's out of the target and see where she comes at. Are you kidding me? I think I completely missed it. Okay. Let me pause here. I'll set you back. I'm going to load back up with, what am I going to load back up? Let's try some Aguila target competition. We'll see what we can do. Hang on, let me pause it. All right. I have no idea where this is going to hit, especially since I moved the scope all the time. Let's go for this side of there, this stuff, and see where we hit at. Okay, come back. Left a little more. Still shooting right. Okay, that's close enough for me. Okay, there's so much you get star and that you get that the stars. I can't make it out there. I don't want to go too high. I'll lose my. Let's go over there. But if you get the little red spot, yeah, in there, it's extra bonus. So let's go for the star first. What the Sam hell? Okay. Let's start our way down here. Okay, we got two ornament. Stay focused there for me. The ornament on top there between the two bullet holes. Hi. Okay. I want to stay focused for me. We got that gingerbread man out there to the left. Oh, I actually got him. Okay, I get skunked and surely I have to score better with this than I did with the BB gun. Okay, off to the right there's that, I don't know what it is, that green thing off to the right hand branch there. I know you don't shoot the pine cones, or you can, but you don't get anything. Oh. Okay, let's drop down to the ornament, the creepy ornament down below that. I actually got him. Okay, to the left of him is a gold ornament there. The gold ornaments were so much, the red ornaments are so much. Just blow it. Okay, let's go to the left and for that red ornament. Oh, I'm out. Hang on a second, fellas. I'll pause here while I load up. Okay, guys, big red ornament on the left there. There's the wind. Oh, come on. I really gotta clean this. God dang on it. Lost one more rounds down in the thingy bopper. I think that went way right on me. Okay, you got that to the left of that red one there, we got that gold, little gold one ornament. And that one went high. Oop. Okay, let's drop down from that gold ornament there to that red one down below it. High. Should I come down? Come down 2 clicks. Okay, you got that creepy one right below that red one there. Well, shoot, you got dag on it. Back up 1 more click. Okay. Okay. We have that other gold one there above, upper right of that creepy one right there. You can see it. Where's it at? Right there. Nope. Went right. Okay, that red ornament in the middle of the tree. Oh, look at the right one. I think that might plug, I think. I'll let NoPro make the call on that one right there, but I think it might plug. Okay, let's do that other red one. Okay, off to the right. Okay, let's drop down the right, that creepy one on the bottom there. And work our way off to the left. Ooh, I was aiming left too. We'll come back 1 click to the left. Okay. Over the other one to the left of that one. And I have no idea where that went to. Did it fly way up super high there? Maybe. Okay, we have that next creepy one on the right there, or the left, I mean. You know, I'm out. Hang on, $. I'm out. I'm here. Okay. Let's do there's that creepy one out there again. I think that flew low. Okay, we got the last one there on the left there, out in the wide open there. Jeez, that went way that way. Okay, now we got the bonus there. Hit the red ornament there in the Grinch's hand. Can we do it? No, we can't do it. We got the Grinch's elbow. Hang on a second. Here, let's see what we got here. I think I got 1, possibly 2. Possibly 2. I'll tell you what. I still got, I think another round here. And I'll try for another, not that I'll count, but that red ball in the Grinch's hand. Closer. Is that it? Nope, still got one more here. Try one more shot here. And it flew way above. that was it. Now hang on. Let me pause you here. All right, guys, you guys are going to help me get rid of the rest of these thunderbolts here. Get this. I got you skipped in there, and where am I at here? 25 yards here. Okay, go. You guys notice that fell off there again right there. I've got, that's about 29 yards. The steel's all painted. Let's go to that big one, swinger at 50 yards there on the right. And these are all, of course, center fire. At least these two up there are center fire. Let's go to the next one with the 3 swingers. Okay, now we're going to go down to we can see the 4 swingers on the bottom right there. We still have ammo. Let's see. And I'm out. You know, this has last round hold open, and it doesn't use the magazine, but it doesn't always hold open. So let me load up here. I see some leaves blowing around the ground stuff. I'm not tough like Mike at MN Shooting Sports out there shooting 2-degree weather. Piss on that. Yeah, maybe back in my younger days. Yeah, I think I got 10 in there. I don't know, I wasn't really counting. Where are we at? Okay. Now these are 22 ones, I believe. These 4 swingers here. Sound good, does it? It's in a grass fly, but yeah, we must be out there. And a little more time, we'll change her up here a little bit. You know, we're long, at least in Ohio, we're long overdue for really bad weather, I guess. I mean, not that anywhere, so good. You know, I think Congress ought to pass a law where winter's hard. And the older I get, it seems like the longer the winters get and colder. Okay. We had that first gong on the right there is at 50 yards. You see it rock right there. It doesn't ring real loud. You got another gong one back there at 75 there, beside that white, to the left of that white silhouette. Yeah, that one, got the white silhouette there at 75. nice and loud. Okay, there's a gong over there 100 yards. The gun over that direction. This rings loud. You hit it. That was a miss. Miss again. That's a wacky miss. No, oh, hang on. Got one left back in there. There's still one left in the magazine right there. Must not bring it all the way back to load it up. Yeah, one left over here. The thing I hate about these Thunderbolt boxes is the bottoms. You always start losing the rounds out of the bottom of the box after you get so many rounds out there where there's not very many left in there. Spread all over the daggone place. Okay, let me load this up. Okay, let's come back over here and see where we're going to go. Okay, you can see it silhouette way down there. I know it looks like I'm shooting through where the camera's up through the swinger. That's a white silhouette way on down there now. That's at 110 yards. Let's try that. And take on it. Let's do that shit again. That's happened before. I stick it in here. I'm gonna have to clean this thing. And what it does, it goes click like it's dead. And so you touch the daggone charging handle, it goes off for some reason. It doesn't really hurt you, but it scares the piss out of you. Okay, where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it goes. Okay. Here's it. And I'm aiming at the head of that to get the ring. Okay. And we got 3 rounds left. 3 rounds. Let's see what we can shoot him at. Sure, it automatically popped in there. Let's see what we got a round up there. Hang on, tree right there. It's at about 75. Where'd it go? That's it. No, you guys can't see it. That one, the one hanging, that white one right there. There's a big round one down there, hanging on a tree down there. These are filled full of bullet holes. And what it is not no AR 500 steel. It's just mild steel. It came off a water tower. He's working on it. Okay, yeah, the big city water tower. Hey, zoom me out here. Now there she is right there. That's a fun one right there, yeah, too. Let me know what you think, guys, and yeah, I still gotta do something. I'm gonna put the guns up here. I'm gonna do something while I got the mild weather. We'll talk to you next time.